What up, world? This is your boy ZK, Zimbabwe Kid, and you already know what this is, man. This is the ZIG ZAG CYPHER number 5, and yeah, man, live from Dallas, Texas. I hope you guys are ready. And as usual, the ZIG ZAG CYPHER is a cipher on the internet, on YouTube, and you guys just follow the rules from the previous cipher, which was ZIG ZAG CYPHER number 1. Basically, the rules are you gotta do you gotta be yourself, you gotta be original, you know what I'm saying? And then rule number 2, you gotta have fun with it. You gotta enjoy doing this. Like I always say, if you enjoy it, other people will enjoy, you know, whatever you're doing as well, especially entertainment. And then number 3, you gotta call out another MC, someone else you know that's on YouTube that subscribe to you, or your friend or your label mate, you know, or anybody else that you know that would like to join the cipher. You gotta tag someone else. And then rule number 4 is that there are no rules. I know that doesn't make any sense because I mentioned 3 other rules, but in a way, hip hop, it's about being creative, it's about being innovative and being original. And so this cipher is going to be called the original. And that's the name of the cipher, the original. Okay? And so now I'm gonna call out a few MCs like I always do. And here's the list of the MCs. The first one, officially MOB. What up, my dude? I know you're gonna set this one off right. The original cipher. Officially MOB. Rhythm Records Inc. Coopertronics. Ace and Zaz. Saytex 210, G Money 420, MC White Noise, Little Z 2009, Anima Sweet, Deceiver 1, Fusebound Productions, R.I.P. Grizz, Mr. Carolina Music, Unknown Crypt, Eddie Morton UK, Deuce Trey, CA, JKW 906KOZ, RC885, Eddie Morton UK, I think I mentioned them before, JDP The Future, One Money Rob, One Rude, Black Lacquer, Ed Catsup 1, Scooby the Gambler, John Solo Official, Taze 007, Gargantuan Beast, E Wonder Music, Siege 7, 3+9, 3MC Squared, The Kid Era, ZZZ 33333, Palms SCBBB, Cantel Hip Hop, It's Filthy, and lastly, Awake 24/7. These are the MCs that I'm gonna call out for now. The rest of y'all, if I didn't call you out, and if any of these MCs don't call you out, go ahead and make a video. Go ahead and still do it. The internet, people might take a day, might do it the same day, might do it 2 weeks from now. We never know. So just keep the cipher going. Just keep it moving. ZIG ZAG CYPHER number 5. I am Zimbabwe Kid. ZK, ZimbabweKid.com, ZimboNexus, the original.